Hello friends, welcome to the physics classes by Poonam Taneja. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Up to now I have told you theoretical section regarding reflection. So let's start doing NCERT in text question of page number 176. So let's start in text question of page number 176. That is question number 1. What is the statement? That a ray of light traveling in air enters obliquely. Obliquely means at some angle, not normally, at some angle incident. A ray of light traveling in air enters obliquely into water. It means there is air and there is water. A ray of light is not entering like this, it is entering like this. It means this is our incident ray. Arrow downward. Does the ray of light bend towards the normal or away from the normal? At the point where medium changes, this is acting like an interface x, y. At the point of interface where incident light incidence, I am drawing a normal, that is a normal. Okay. Now, as air is optically rarer medium, and when it enters in a water it is optically denser medium. What does it mean? That air is entering from rarer to denser. Okay, so when air is entering from rarer to denser, what happens? First one, optical density of air is smaller or less than water. It means, what does it mean? It means air is a rarer medium and water is a denser medium. Water is a denser medium. So light has entered from rarer to denser. When it enters into denser medium, speed of light decreases. So from next paragraph on, entering in a denser medium, speed of light decreases. So when speed of light decreases, it bends from its path towards the normal. So light bends towards the normal. So when light enters from air to water, it bends towards the normal due to decrease in speed of light. Now, question number 2. Light enters from air to glass having refractive index 1.5. It means refractive index of glass, that is denoted by Ng, that is 1.5. Refractive index of glass is 1.5. What is the speed of light in glass? It means speed of light in glass is to be find out if speed of light in vacuum is vacuum, or I may call it air. Vacuum is 3 into 10 raised to the power 8 meter per second. As you know, The formula of refractive index N is equal to C upon V, where C is the speed of light in vacuum to the speed of light in glass. Because we are dealing with glass, if it is any medium, I will write it any medium. So N of glass is equal to C upon V of glass. So what will be the velocity in glass? Velocity in glass will be equal to C upon Ng. What is C? 3 into 10 raised to the power 8 meter per second. What is Ng? Refractive index of glass, that is 1.5. Point removing, it will be 0. 15 ones are 15, 15 twos are 30. So it will be 2 into 10 raised to the power 8 meter per second. That is the speed of light in glass. Now, next question is, out of the given table as per NCERT, which one is having highest optical density? As I have told you in theoretical section that optical density of a medium is directly proportional to refractive index of that medium. What does it mean? It means if refractive index of a medium is larger, it will have high optical density, so it will be a denser medium. If refractive index is smaller, it will be having less optical density, so it will be rarer. So in the given table, diamond is having maximum optical density because refractive index of diamond, that is 2.42, that is maximum. If refractive index of diamond is maximum, it means it is having highest optical density. You can see the statement and conclude. And the second one, that is air. Air is having optical density minimum because it is having refractive index of air is 1.0003. It means it is having minimum value. If it is having minimum value, it is having lowest optical density. Lowest optical density. It means diamond will act as a densest medium and air will act as a rarest medium. Okay, so in this way, if optical density is given, you can find out about comparison value of refractive index. अगर आपको रिफ्रैक्टिव इंडेक्स पता है तो आप उसकी ऑप्टिकल डेंसिटी का आइडिया लगा सकते हैं कि वो डेंसर है या रेयरर है. नेक्स्ट, क्वेश्चन नंबर 4. वी आर प्रोवाइडेड विद 3 लिक्विड्स, दैट इज टर्पेंटाइन ऑयल, बेटा जिसे बोलते हैं तारपीन का तेल, टर्पेंटाइन ऑयल, कैरोसिन ऑयल and at last water. We have to compare these 3. It means in which of these light travel fastest? It means light will travel fastest in which refractive index is minimum, because we know N, refractive index, is equal to C by V. It means refractive index is inversely proportional to speed of light. As refractive index of water is least. लीस्ट मीन्स सबसे कम किसका है हमारी एनसीईआरटी बुक की टेबल के अकॉर्डिंग वाटर का रिफ्रैक्टिव इंडेक्स सबसे कम है. इससे क्या पता चला रिफ्रैक्टिव इंडेक्स कम है. इट मीन्स स्पीड ऑफ लाइट मैक्सिमम फास्टेस्ट. In which medium? In water. Next, question number 5, that refractive index of diamond is given 2.42. What does it mean? इसका क्या मीनिंग है अगर किसी का रिफ्रैक्टिव इंडेक्स 2.42 दिया हुआ है डायमंड का, तो इससे आप क्या समझते हैं? तो लेट्स स्टार्ट. व्हाट इज द फॉर्मूला? That n is equal to C by V. What does it mean? That refractive index of diamond, that is equal to speed of light in vacuum, speed of light in diamond. That is always fixed, constant. So, speed of light in diamond, that is equal to C upon refractive index of diamond. Because refractive index is given, we want to find out the value of speed of light in diamond. So it means speed of light in diamond is equal to 1 upon 2.42 times of speed of light in vacuum. Vacuum means C. Or from this you can say that C is equal to N diamond into V diamond. N diamond is given to us 2.42 into speed of light in diamond. So what statement can you receive from this? That speed of light in vacuum, that is equal to 2.42 into speed of light in diamond. So if refractive index is given to you, you can find out the value of speed. If speed is given to you, you can find out the value of refractive index. So learn this formula for numerical purpose and conceptual purpose also. So in this way we have solved NCERT in-text question of page number 176. In my next video, I will teach you NCERT in-text solution of page number 184. So be with me so as to learn more about NCERT solutions. Till then, goodbye.